Welcome to this Specialty Products installation video for the 67381 and 67382 adjustable lower ball joints. Use these ball joints to align the 16 through 21 Honda Civic, 17 through 22 Honda CR-V, and the 18 through 22 Honda Accord. Whether you're tracking your Civic or need some camber change for tire wear, these maintenance-free sealed ball joints will do the job. The 67381 will provide a negative 1 degree of camber on the Civic and a negative 0.5 degree of camber on the taller strutted CR-V and Accord. The 67382 will provide a positive 1 degree of camber on the Civic and a positive 0.5 degree of camber on the taller strutted CR-V and Accord. SBC also carries non-adjustable stock ball joints for these applications, part number 12715. Please note, these do not fit Civic Type R. Always follow proper safety precautions associated with the equipment used in this video. Read and follow the instructions thoroughly. Determine the amount of camber change needed. Raise and support the vehicle. Remove the front tire and wheel assembly. Tech tip: install and zero adjustable camber reference gauge on the brake rotor. Use SBC 81139 or equivalent. This will help with later adjustment. Remove cotter pin and castle nut. Brake ball joint taper using SBC 37995 master ball joint separator set or equivalent. Remove 3 nuts and remove lower ball joint. Install part number 12715 for OE replacement. Install part number 67381 for negative camber correction or 67382 for positive camber correction. Install 3 bolts from top and thread lock nuts onto bolts. Install knuckle onto taper of ball joint and secure with castle nut to 45 pound-feet. Tighten further only as necessary to install cotter pin. Adjust camber by using elongated slots in ball joint base. Use the magnetic camber gauge as a reference. Tighten the 3 fastener lock nuts to 65 pound-feet. Adjusting the camber on these vehicles will affect the toe and steering linking. Ensure adequate thread engagement between inner and outer tie rod ends before locking jam nut. Failure to maintain at least 1 diameter or about 12 millimeters of thread engagement may lead to steering failure. Install tire and wheel assembly, complete the alignment, and road test the vehicle.